Hi guys, we are going to make a fishtail bracelet. So you just need a couple of loom bands. You need a hook and then this, and then you will, and now we will start. So you will first need your U, and then you get one rubber band and then you cross it like this. And you push it down. And then you get another rubber band. You don't cross this time. You only put it like just put it on top like this. And then you get another rubber band and place it in top. And then you need your hook. You need your hook, and then you get the under one, and then you loop it up, and then the other side also. Then you push the two rubber bands down. Then you get another rubber band. You put it in top and no more crossing. And then you get your hook and then you hook it back up, and the same thing in the other side. You keep continuing until you're up to the finish. You keep on repeating and repeating like this, the same thing. Like this. And your rubber band bracelet should look like this. Remember not to cross it anymore, because when you cross it, it will turn, I don't know what will it turn into. And remember to not cross it anymore. Just stretch. You can also use your fingers instead to loop it around, only when your nails are sharp. When it's done, you take the second one. What color is that is over here, and then you loop it up. And then you loop the other red like that. Now you only got one rubber band. There. Then now you get an S clip. I found one. And I got an S clip over here. And then you take your you put it like you take one piece, and then you put it on in there like that, and then you take it off, and it's off. Now you take the other side, and then it will fit, and it will turn into that. I made a fishtail bracelet, and then you clip the other end, and it will turn into a like that. It's clipped on. Then you can wear it on your stuff. You can also make a bracelet out of the fishtail bracelet. The fishtail ring and the fishtail bracelet. Bye guys.